If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to wear, cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Text me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
Hey man, so it's on the video. So welcome back to another banger video, man. I'm here to let y'all know I'm starting a new journey. I will be working out every day, probably twice a day, eating only healthy foods besides on Sundays, and I will be putting out a vlog every day. I'm going to discipline myself to put a vlog every day. I'm about to vlog and film any and everything.
Okay.
So that is what I'm here to do. I'm going to vlog anything, everything. If we go into the if I'm going to the store, if we getting gas, I'm vlogging it. That's 8 minutes, so I'm expect a vlog every day, man. But obviously, and see by the title and thumbnail, he's getting his Hellcat back. But yeah, but knowing me, this vlog ain't gonna be out. Well, I have 3 weeks. No, I have 3 videos. I have 2 videos in the chamber. So obviously his video is going up the same, like damn near same day or next day I'm filming this. So you guys already know. But ask me if I care, no, because you guys gonna get everything. So yeah, man. Are you excited to get your Hellcat back?
Yes, I am, sir.
Why is that, sir?
Because I haven't had it. I feel like I gotta go back and look at how long it's been since I haven't had my Hellcat.
I haven't driven it ever since.
Quick guess, what would you say? I say 3 months.
I'm gonna say 4.
Okay.
No, I think 4 is too long. I'm gonna say 3. I'm gonna say 3 months.
Let's see it.
Now 3. Ooh, I see Hellcat right there, and it's red.
It's not a Hellcat, sir. That's SRT though.
That's a Hellcat.
No, I had no Hellcat badges, bro.
Okay, well, see that I know. That's how you know I don't care about Dodge anymore. I don't pay attention to Dodge no more. But
I thought you just tried to.
I tried. I look every Dodge. See, that's how you know. Every Dodge product looks the same.
All right. Just 3
Fun
months.
fact.
3 months. 3 months.
Damn.
Oh, actually, no. I think you're right. 4. You're right.
It gotta be 4 months because it was a minute.
April 29th.
April, May, June, July, August, September. Almost 5 months.
Almost 5 months. Damn, almost half a year's been gone.
Fuck, you barely have any of your cars.
I know, bro. I don't know what's been going on with that.
Damn, man. But
it's just crazy though, y'all, because it's like a start. That ain't how I planned it to go. I never planned it to go like, oh, I'm just going without all my cars.
Like literally almost all your cars, you don't have them. Like barely have them.
Lambo gone, sold that joint.
A McLaren, I've been going for almost 7 months, almost a year.
The McLaren? Bro, McLaren was gone years ago, bro, like 2 years ago.
No. Obviously, it's been gone for like years. But I'm saying like when you did have it, it was long. It was gone.
It was gone
like
7 months straight.
Yeah.
Yep, that's true.
And they got it back. It was gone for again another. So that's what I'm saying. Oh, we had 3 minutes right now, y'all. I got about 7 more minutes to go. Oh, wow, the police got a Durango.
Wow, I was just gonna say that. Huh?
A crime scene investigation. Well,
yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. But look, they got light bars up there.
I can't show them.
Oh, of course. But he don't want to show y'all the police.
No, the police. I don't like showing the police because the police give me PTSD.
They got top of the move light bars on
I'm not gonna lie, it's actually tight.
Right?
The Durango is definitely a base model. Yeah, but I do like the new Explorers though.
You would think they would give police like Hellcats.
Yeah, they should though, but not.
When nobody be able to get away.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Oh no. Oh no, yesterday, right, I was going home, right, and tell you, I was going on the freeway, right, and there was like a CHP, like, so it was a chase, and then the CHP was trying to go around me, almost lost control.
Damn.
Yeah, he was in a Charger, so yeah, so imagine that was in a Hellcat Charger.
He almost lost control?
Yeah.
Damn, that'd been bad.
Yeah, so he swerved hard left and hard right, then like,
oh, he did that body roll cradle. He did that cradle.
Yeah, you seen white smoke, the tires squeal. I was like, man, that is crazy. Yeah. Yeah, so just imagine with the, oh, I see it right there. They probably right there. Oh, they gotta go to the back.
Yeah, that thing go though.
Ooh wee. It is in there. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. Yeah, oh, he's taking it out. I gotta stop him. Go, white car. Go. Come on, man. Go. This is emergency. Oh, SRT Jeep right there. That's nice. Black one.
There you go.
Ooh wee. Oh, he's
Yeah.
straight ass. He's gonna bend over right there in front of us. Oh, Corona. Oh,
Go.
shit.
God bless me.
Oh, I can't stand next to you.
Yeah, bro. Let it marinate. Let it marinate, brother.
I can't do that. But we're wearing black for a special occasion. So
That is a fact.
and I'm just filming here because I'm leading the Sony in here. Oh wait. That sounds so good, boy. That thing sounds so good. Now that it's back and then like I actually could drive a Hellcat again. Can I say I would buy a Hellcat before the Benz, or am I still sticking to the I'd rather buy the C63S AMG over a Hellcat Charger to be exact? Don't know, but now that this Hellcat's back, man, it's looking mighty good right there in front, and it is looking good driving. So I'm not sure. I just gotta see, because right now this is the worst time to buy a car. So I'm really hoping the market goes down in like December or January, because that's when I would want to buy now. But hold on, do something, damn it, do something. The Hellcat's back. See by the title and thumbnail that is clearly back. And it's looking mighty good. Hold on, I'm finna pull up right next to it, behind it. Show y'all my whipping skills. Right. I'm cutting in front of you. Go around you. Ooh, stop. Oh, this Bel Air, nice. No, that's not Bel Air. What is that? That's don't know what the hell that is. But anyways, y'all, yeah. Damn, there's too many safety features on this damn car. Anyways, y'all, I really appreciate y'all, man. I'm just gonna let y'all know, cause yeah, I'm about to film and put a vlog every day, so I'm about to stick to it. I'm gonna show y'all me working out, doing all that, man. From the time I wake up to the time I get in the house, y'all gonna get everything. There's a type, what is that, Subaru? That's our type board. That's a STI. Yeah, so like y'all really gonna get everything now, man. Cause I'm saying fuck it. I mean, I already let y'all in my life enough, so I'm just have to go do with that, man. But y'all gonna get more in my life. Why are you gonna get in front of me like that? Come on, man. You don't see Cadillac smashing right now? Nah, I'm gonna get back in front of you. Cause you cut me off, I'm gonna get back in front of you. I don't have road rage, y'all. I promise you I don't. I don't got road rage at all. Oh, hold on. There's some fine motherfuckers on the freeway today, man. Damn. What car is she driving? She's driving a CLA 250 SUV. Haha, you thought you was getting in front of me. You thought you was getting in front of me, huh? That's not happening. Nah, that shit should look good though. Hold on. Let me see. Oh shit, damn. Almost goddamn. Let me not do that, man. Let me go focus on the road. I just said, if a car was there, it would have been an accident. Man. Car is not working. What the fuck? I'm fucking cruising. Oh, that's embarrassing. Hold on. off the damn freeway real quick. God damn, boy, this bitch should cut off for me, man. But that's a good way to start the fucking video. The problem is it's just dead still traffic. That's what it is. It's just traffic. Damn. It's literally. Man, why this nigga make me drive the car? Man, let me take the ears, bro. God damn, what the fuck? Let me get my ass over real quick. Let me get all the way off. This car about to turn off and turn the AC on. This shit is about to turn the fuck off. Hold on. Like I know if I let off this gas right now, this car is gonna turn off. So I have to like, I'm trying to like feather a throttle. Try and get over, motherfucker. Let me get over. Let me get over, motherfucker. Come on. Let me get over. Thank you, Simon. This fucking goddamn Hellcat. God damn, man. Hold on. I gotta coast up here. Fuck this fucking Hellcat. God, what the fuck? Everybody like, damn, this shit is hot as fuck. God damn. Well, yeah, that's definitely a good way to start the video, man. Broken Hellcat. Let me go call him real quick. The car keeps saying shift to P for dampening system, and it's doing that fucking idle. It's doing the idle right now. Let me call him real quick. God damn, man. What the fuck? Wow, you gotta be kidding me, man. I'm literally on the side of the highway right now. Why? Why does it have to be, man? Why does it have to be? He called his nigga.
Yo.
This standstill traffic did the thing again where it was idling rough and then it turned off.
Alright, is it still driving though, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but I just pulled over quick.
Maybe alright then.
Yeah, but the thing is like I have to keep the throttle on, but if it's not on, then the car will turn off. Yeah, it's drivable though. I was driving. Right, that's what I was doing.
You'll be alright.
Alright, for sure.
Alright.
God, what the fuck? I'll be alright. Press brake and then start. Let's see. It's probably hot. P50B. Let me see what code that is. P50B. It don't even idle right now, man. Damn. This is weak, man. If this is what having 1,000 horsepower car or Hellcat is like, it turned off. The car is turned off. It's probably hot. I'm giving the benefit of the doubt and it says it's hot. This is embarrassing, man. This is embarrassing, dude. What the fuck am I supposed to do? I got his way here. This is embarrassing. Every car that passed up is passing me up right now. Ah, my God, bro. This is very embarrassing, man. Anyways, y'all, welcome back to, let me fix GoPro. Yeah, welcome back to another banger video. Got my thumbnail and title, man. I look at my title, thumbnail, yeah. Well, yeah, my title is gonna be broke his 1,000 horsepower red eye. That's my title. Then got the Jeep owners over here staring. Dang, man, this is embarrassing. It's hot. I need to try again. It turns on. If y'all can hear this, goddamn. I'm hoping y'all can really go hear this. Okay, it's island normal. It is idling normal, okay. Yo.
How you doing, Brody?
I just pulled over quick to let the car sit for like a minute or two.
Yeah, that motherfucker, I can't stand that dumbass shit.
And now, yeah, man, I'm like, man, this is what it feels like to have a fully 1,000 horsepower car or Hellcat. Then I don't want this shit. Fuck.
Yeah, bro, this is what come with that shit, bro. I'm telling you.
It seems.
I think it's that E85 though, because my last Hellcat, bro, it never did shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it had over 1,000 horsepower. It was once you do all that E85 shit, they change them injectors and all that stupid shit. That's the shit that happens.
Yeah, because once you start messing with the field, then that fucks everything.
Yeah, facts. I ain't fucking with that dumbass shit.
It seems fine now, so I'm get back on the road. Let me over, bitch.
Alright, for sure, man.
Alright, so fuck speeding now. 65 miles per hour the whole way, man. This is fuck no. I can't do this shit. Like, man. And then on the way here, on the way here, I was just enjoying the drive.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend though. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.